Well, welcome everybody. My name is Matt, and welcome to Mattison Christmas Tree Farm. Where we don't just do Christmas trees. We're starting to become a pretty decent-sized farm, and figured it's about time to give everyone a tour. We are in Vermont, the southern half of the state, and where we get bad winters, we get nice summers, and sometimes early winters, and sometimes late summers, but it all seems to work here. And yeah, check out the farm, let me know what you think. There's so much work to do when you have this much land, especially with trees. There's so much mowing to do. If it's not, mowing a field or mowing in between trees, just a lot of mowing. So yeah, it's a lot of time in the tractor, which sometimes is pleasant, but it also means stuff breaks down. That can get frustrating at times, especially when you don't know what you're doing. But I'm learning as I go. So one of the first things I did once I realized that, getting animals was definitely on my list to start growing the farm. Is I needed a barn. So Billy and Harry did a great job on the barn. It has some stalls with a couple of different areas for cows, so I'm able to separate them, and it just came out so good. And then came the learning process for all the animals. We got everything from chickens, turkeys, meat chickens, cows, donkeys. It's really been a process trying to learn it all.
Only now, it's all you trust. Right now,
but with help of some good people, we got through our hiccups with the haltering, dealing with animals a little bit, and feel a lot more comfortable now.
Only now, can you light the spark to come out of the dark, like the last time that you chose it all. You chose it all. Yeah, yeah.
Now the donkeys have really been an experience for us. The kids seem to like them a little bit more than me, and they seem to like the kids more than myself, so it kind of works out. But they are cute buggers.
We'll go on falling blind through the opening. Trust the fool you left away, like the last time that you chose you. Yeah. Ooh, we knew that day. Yeah, we knew that day. Yo. Ooh, we knew that day would go.
Nothing like a last-minute build for the turkeys.
Yeah, we knew that day. Ooh, we knew that day. Yeah, would go. Would go.
Like turkeys?
Doing the processing was definitely a learning experience, and it was the first time we did it on the farm, so it was kind of exciting as well. But I'll tell you, it was the best tasting turkey I've had. A little biased, I know, but it was good. So next was the pigs. We got coonies. They are a pasture pig. They are very friendly. Not like any other feeder pig that I've gotten. The kids can go in there, as of right now at least, the kids can go in there and I totally trust it. Again, with any animal you want to be careful, but with these coonies, they're pretty loving.
Do you want sneakers so you can come in? No, I'm fine.
Go in there, Nora.
No.
Just stand on the rocks. Just stand on the rocks. You won't.
No, I'll pass. You'll pass? Yeah. I didn't know piglets had tails. Yeah, pigs have tails. Girl, I smell pig. Whoa! Whoa! Makes your neck.
So now we're taking a walk down to the cabin. It's an old log cabin that we fixed up, and we Airbnb it and rent it out. So there's the cabin. This was a big undertaking. We bought the property. I had to learn about the trees as much as I could from the old owner. While doing that, trying to facilitate this project was tough. It wasn't easy, I gotta be honest, but I'm so grateful that we did it, because it really is the only thing that's actually making money really and paying some of the bills. So very happy that I did it. Still some stuff to do outside. The landscaping needs to be done. Maybe some trees need to come down, limbs need to be cut, stuff like that, but overall we were very happy with the project. Pretty simple, washer dryer. Then it just kind of looks into it. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I'm not gonna walk right all through it, guys, because we actually have people coming in here today, and we've already cleaned it and everything. So, but it really is a nice spot. The window overlooks. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, there we go. Overlooks the trees. Kind of a nice spot. This used to lead right into the garage. We built this wall and kind of gave us